Hey guys, good morning. It's Sony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Well, let's get started. I haven't made a video in a bit, so we'll see where we are. I kind of like this trade though. I mean, I can take this probably. These rounds of flame get in the fire. Here we go. I think the risk was like a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. Man, I should have probably taken more. Let's do two more. I think that'd be good. Whoa. I'll leave it there. Stop loss up here. I think we'll run this down to previous because we're gonna break this low today for sure. So I already have. So we can probably go down to 516. Why do I have an alert there? Right. There's an alert here for some reason. Why do I have that there? These roads of flame are catching fire. I'll put this down here. I'll put it there. We should have rigged. That's a little push. Yeah, there you go. Is that there? All right, cool. I am okay with this short. We're still in the 4-hour, 8-hour, daily. Sure. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. Okay, let's start from scratch. What am I doing here? And I always hate running these because whenever I take like a trade here, what is it called? There's always like too many things going on here where I'm just kind of like, oh man, like there's too many things going on the board. All right, cool. So we got downtrend, we got channels. Yeah, I think we'll at least see, let me see, 516 ES SPX 5 today. Yes, I mean, I don't really, man, should I even do TA on this? I don't really care too much. This should go lower to 516, I think, today. Unless we bounce here. Do we have any previous, right here, 518, 30, 1 hour. Yeah, everything. I mean, yeah, there's no reason for this to go up. Yeah, I think we'll probably go down more further to 516 today. So I can see another 2-point drop here on the ES. SPY. Yeah, SPY's breaking to the low side. So probably a little lower. Yeah, I can probably see SPY today hit 508. Yeah, I think SPY's probably going to 508 today. Sorry guys, I'm just kind of rambling, but yeah, never mind. I don't really need to do TA. I'm not too worried about this. We're already breaking to the low side. We're gonna close this in 13 minutes. Yeah, I'm looking at a 508 sometime today or tomorrow. So I guess I'll just call that my TA. So today, tomorrow, looking for a 508. You already hit that 512 that I was looking for. I think like a couple days ago that I posted a video. I forgot. I think I posted it on my Patreon or like the chat, I think. I forgot. But yeah, I'm looking for like a 508 today. I think we're going to keep dropping. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.